233, you might want to go to the slower playlist right here. Just a warning. So symbolic constants to demystify magic numbers, a lookup table, the hotel to master memory index. This is now needed. Monkey wrench macros. This was a bug, I fixed it. This is the GPU sync function we've been working on. We're going through all of the dirty tiles that are on the DUM. So these are the variable declarations we're going to need. And these are some lookup tables that we're going to need. And here's our rectangle that contains the dirty region that we need to push up to the GPU. We're going to loop through every single hotel cell on the master memory. And then we need to get whether or not the current rectangle cluster has any dirty rectangles. This value right here is a bit flag that is going to tell us for that set of 4x4 rectangles over one master memory cell, which one of those are dirty. And if it's completely 0 bits, that means none of them are dirty, and we should just skip this loop right here. Otherwise, if there are dirty rectangles, we want to get the base address of our data first, of the cluster of rectangles in our one-dimensional array we're going to fetch later. And then we need to go through every single rectangle by its network bit order bit index here. So the cluster bit index 0 to 15 inclusive. And we're going to grab the dirty flag out of this bitmasked ledger here. And if it's 0, we're going to continue because that rectangle isn't dirty. We don't want to do anything with it. If the rectangle is dirty, then we need to figure out the relative address of the rectangle in our data set. And then we need to get the global base address of the rectangle in our data set. And we're going to error check here. And then we're going to take that global base address of the rectangle in our data set here. And we're going to pull out each member with the relative offset. And now here's our rectangle. We'll use that to push to the texture memory here. Here's what we did previously, and here's all of our diagrams and stuff. I really recommend you go to the slower playlist because we don't have time here. Here's what we did here, and you can get the source code here. You can email me here. You've been on the fast playlist here. You can go to the slow playlist here. Like, subscribe, send me coffee.